salty water, activator, shampoo, baking soda. Help George! Grab 2 gallons of glue. Are you ready, George? Yes, come on! Yay! Come on, George, a little bit more. I think it's enough. Mixy. So smooth. Now let's put some shaving cream. Mix it up. Oh, here we have some pigments. Here we have some dollies. I choose turquoise, purple, and blue dolly. You put I mix.
2 hours later.
A lot of baking soda. Whoa! Oh my. Guys, just trust the process.
Later.
We might be getting better and better. Mine too.
Wow!
That is so much better. Wait, it's like sticky. But that's good. I need some acne. This really bad slime turns into this amazing slime. My boo is so crazy. I know it's really good. Oh my god. Eat, Georgie. Whoa! A big snake. I will make 2 or 3 colors. Bright blue, yellow. Okay. Let's see. Putting this on the Whoa, I really like the bluish color. Really pretty. Good job, George. Oh, this is looking like a giant marshmallow. Yummy! Let's make... whoa, I love the color. Whoa! This one is amazing. George, what is this on your nose? Look. George, let me clean you. Your nose is blue. George, I think this is enough. Okay.
Oh no! Huh?
I want it brown. But now it's time to put on. I'll choose some. I'll put some orange. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Some purple. And white. Wow guys, this is amazing! So pretty. I want to write my slime a black color.
What? Oh no!
Let me check. I want this white one. I will choose this color. Here we have have some macaron charms. Now here we have some new candy charms. Wow, so beautiful charms. I want this sweet because like it's very sparkly. Oh my gosh, I love these flowers. Let's put in our slime. First is the lollipop, but I think that is real. Macaron, chocolate. And a little snake. The front of the snake. Flowers, some snakes. We have butterflies. They're the main thing of our flower garden. Whoa, guys, I love the sun. Yes, I know. Button. I waited a lot for this moment, but I thought that this would be an but now when I see it, it's really pretty. So this is an I'm total yes.
Yes.
I love the sign, but when it's a yes, we need to take a picture. Let's take a picture. Now we need to wait for our picture. But while we wait, let's push our slime. Oh, guys, look at the picture. I can call this the most expensive slime. Wow! This is a really good slime, so I will give it a yes.
Baby.
Now let's mix mine and then the slimes together. And then let's mix only those. And a lot of putting some This is a big item. Well, George, I think our slime is amazing. Yes, Emma, you're right. Hard but perfect work.